Until now, introduction is happened. Actual TOC will start now. Right? Please careful. Today's class is Today's class is really valuable. Today's class is really valuable. Right? Actual TOC starting now. Right? Let's see. See everyone. See everyone now. First one. Write down alphabet. If anyone is a little sleepy, also manage properly. Alphabet. Just face the right. Go to the washroom and clean the face. Just go to the washroom and clean the face. Right. So first one is alphabet. Can you help me now? Can you help me now? In TOC, we will discuss about machines. In TOC, right? Do we discuss about machines? Yes. If that is true, in TOC, we will discuss machines. If that is true, we will discuss about the machine in the TOC. That is true. Every machine will accept some language. Like assume that we are machine. So we will accept some language. Right? That language may be Hindi. Can you help me now? When you say you will accept some language, compulsory, that language having some alphabet also or not? Every machine will accept some language. When you say it will accept some language, that language should have alphabet. So we have to discuss what is alphabet. Every machine having alphabet. So can you help me now? What is the alphabet definition? Every language should have alphabet. First of all, what is the alphabet definition? What is the alphabet definition? Set of symbols? Set of symbols? Yeah, someone is mentioned finite set of symbols. Because every language contain finite symbols or not? Can you say English language contain how many letters? English language contain how many letters? 26. Hindi? Who knows? We are not interested, sir. English we are interested. Hindi we are not interested. That's what I'm saying. Shashi is saying 44. Shashi, are you sure? In the sleep you are saying whatever you want, or are you sure? Yeah, I think Vishal is saying that. Vishal is saying one interesting line. Sir, when you say alphabet, every language should contain alphabet, right? When you say alphabet, every language should contain finite symbols. True. But one more important thing, every language should contain non-empty symbols. Suppose one language contain no symbol, what do they use? One language contain no symbol, there is no meaning. So definition is this one. This is the definition. A finite, non-empty, a finite, non-empty set of symbols. It's a right non-empty also. A finite, non-empty set of symbol. If anyone say, if you don't say non-empty, there may be a chance of empty also. But no language contain empty. If at all, number of letters itself empty, in that language, nothing possible. At least one letter required. Can you help? What is the minimal language? A language which contain one letter or not? What is the minimal language? A language which contain one letter, which is nothing but unary language. Unary language. A language which contain one letter, unary language. A language which contain two letter, binary language. A language which contain three letter, ternary language. A language which contain 26 letter, English language. A language which contain 44. Shashi is saying 44. Right? So Hindi language. Can you help like that? Every language having alphabet. See this one. A finite non-empty set of symbols. Known as a finite non-empty set of symbols is known as alphabet. I'm saying to you, TOC just started now. TOC started with alphabet definition. Yeah, I think, can you help me some examples for this? Some examples I want. Can you help, English alphabet? See, I'm writing now. See, alphabet will be represented with the symbol sigma. You can represent whatever you want. Normally, it will be represented with the symbol sigma. Now, see this one. Alphabet of English. So, what's the answer? It is alphabet. Alphabet of English. Is it alphabet? Be active, sit properly, sit properly. First thing is, you should sit properly. If you little bit lazy also, it will eat you. Sleep is eagerly waiting when he will give chance. When he will give chance, eagerly is waiting. You give little chance, he will kill you. Sir, it could be 52 also because of uppercase letters. That's okay. I'm taking only small letters. Right? Normally English language contain 26 letters. 26 letters of small, 26 letters of capital. Right? Fine. That is okay. If you want, you can write also normally 26 letters. Now come to the next one. Can you help me now? What is the alphabet of Hindi? Yeah, it is very tricky to me. It is a very tricky. It's right? I know this also. This is a very tricky. Over. My life is over. Can you say what is the last letter? By a last letter. Please, Bhaiya, help me. Writing, I may not know. I forgotten last letter. Yeah. Over. I am dead. How yeah, last letter. Thank you so much. Writing also difficult. Like this. You true. Perfect. Thank you, Bhaiya. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah. So, and in the similar way, because of we normally don't use. Okay. Anyhow, that's not my goal. Next one. Binary language. It is not Bengal language. That binary language. 0, 1. 0, 1. Easiest language is that only. Easiest language is that only. Next one. It is my own language. That Telugu language. That is also I don't know. I don't know what is the last letter. Is it last letter? Those people who knows. Yeah, perfect. So Goyal is celebrating. Because of Goyal celebrating more, that is the reason, right? This platform is right stopped him. He is doing a lot of nonsense in the class. That is the reason this platform stopped automatically. I didn't done anything. That is done by the AI. I am not done by AI. That itself is stopped. That is the effect of AI. You are doing too much. You are misusing this platform. That is the reason they blocked you. That is the reason they blocked you. You are misusing this platform. That platform also got irritation. Array, this person, let's keep him out. So they done. Anyhow, perfect. So alphabet definition. From now onwards, if anyone asks you, please define what is the alphabet. Oh, every language having some alphabet. No language there with 0 letters. No language there with infinite letters. No language there with 0 letters. No language there with infinite letters. So alphabet is a finite, non-empty set of symbols. Is known as alphabet. I give an example also. Okay, until now everyone is fine. Can you go to the next one? Alphabet, okay. Next one, string. String. Yeah, can you help me know string? What is the definition? Now everyone know string. When you say first, this is the way how you learn language also. First learn alphabet. First learn alphabet. Next, using that alphabet, make the strings. Using that alphabet, make the string. Can you help collection of symbols. Collection of symbols over the given alphabet is known as string. Am I right? Collection of symbols over the given alphabet is known as string, right? Let me write it. Different way of writing, you write whatever way you want. That indirectly, directly, that is a way. collection of symbols over the given alphabet is known as collection of symbols over the given alphabet is known as string. Collection of symbols over the given alphabet is known as string. So please learn. So we are going to learn one new model, new language, right? When you want to say machine, every machine will accept some language. So let's discuss something about language related stuff. When you say language, alphabet needed. So I given the definition. When you have alphabet, automatically collection of those alphabet is known as string. Collection of symbols over the given alphabet is known as string. Now listen, I'm giving some examples. Can you see the example? Can you see the example? Sigma is equal to, careful, sigma is equal to A comma B. Means alphabet is A comma B. Assume alphabet is equal to A comma B. Right? Over the alphabet A comma B, I am writing few strings. Can I help Is it string? Over the given alphabet, I am writing some strings. Is it string? Yes. Next one. Is it string? Yes. Is it string? Yes. Is it string? Yes. Is it string? Is it string? So like that. Fine. Are you comfortable? Yeah. Now I want to ask you one small line. Everyone listen. Now I want to ask one small line. Everyone have to listen. Everyone have to listen. Over the sigma A comma B, these are the strings which I written. Can I help Is it string? Over the alphabet A comma B, is it string? It is not part of the sigma. It is not part of the sigma. So remember, it is not a string. It is a string of some other alphabet. For this alphabet, it's not a string. This is a very, very important one. Please careful. Collection of symbol over the given alphabet. You cannot take some symbols here. You cannot take some symbols from some other alphabet. There are some people who are writing Hindi, English combinedly. So that is not a string. That is not a string. That is not a string of English. That is not a string of Hindi. That may be some other language. If you combine the English and Hindi combinedly, that is not Hindi, that is not English, that is English. Am I right? That is English. Hindi, English combinedly, if you write, that is called English. That is not Hindi, that is not English. Be careful. Suppose if I write a combination of one word I written which contain some Hindi letters, some English letters. So in the English alphabet, all are not there. In the Hindi alphabet also, all are not there. So that string is not part of English. That string is not part of Hindi also. It is a combination. English, people used to say English. Right? Fine. That's okay. Now people got to know. So it is not a string over this alphabet. Now, please help me. Please help me. Over this alphabet, what is the first string? If I ask you over this string, I'm repeating once again. Over this alphabet, what is the first string? Over this alphabet, what is the first string possible? Can anyone say? Is it first string? Of course, one letter is also there. That is also string. One letter is there. That is also string. One length string. Right? So it's a one more string. One length strings first. Next one, two length. AA, AB, BA, BB. Two length. Two length strings. Next one, three length string. Triple A2, triple B. Three length strings. Four A's to four B's. So like that going on. Right? So can you help me? One length, two length, how many? Two length, how many? Four. Three length, how many? Eight. Some people are asking, sir, how eights are? Very simple. Listen, three length. Listen, everyone now. Three length. Okay, three length means three people required. Listen, three length. Oh, three length means three people required. So three length means three people required. Every place two possibilities. A or B, two possibility. Next place also A or B, two possibilities. Next place also A or B, two possibilities. 2 into 2 into 2, 8 possibilities. Four length, oh, four people. Everywhere two possibilities. 2 into 2 into 2 into 4 times 2 power 4. Are you getting? Here one symbol, see this one. Here one symbol, 2 power 0. Right? One place, 2 power 1. Here two people. Everywhere two possibilities, 2 times 2 square. Everywhere two possibilities, 3 times. Everywhere two possibilities, 2 power 4. Right? I hope until now everyone is fine. Until now everyone is fine. Are you comfortable? Are you comfortable? Yeah. If you okay until now, so from today onwards, if I ask you over the alphabet A comma B, be careful. From today onwards, if I ask you over the alphabet A comma B, what is the minimum length string? What is the answer? What is the minimum length string? What is the answer? One length, two length, three length, four length. But remember, there is a one special person of length 0 also. That person name is called epsilon. There is a one special person, right? His name is epsilon of length 0. The length of this person is 0. 0 length person. So 0 length 2 power 0. One person is possible. He is a special person. So I written special color also. With the zero length also one string is possible in TOC. That person name is called epsilon. His length is 0. He look like one symbol, but length is 0. He look like one symbol, but length is 0. I written also, see, epsilon. He got some disease, right? Capital E got some disease. That is called epsilon. Just write the capital E by keeping some disease, some health issue came. Right? That is called epsilon. Remember, this is the, listen everyone know. If you know epsilon properly, you know TOC. Some people trying TOC without epsilon. Some people trying TOC without epsilon. So epsilon is the powerful one. Epsilon is the powerful one. From the starting class onwards, it may be today may be third class. From starting class onward, some people are tempting me by saying this symbol. I controlled. This is the correct time. I cannot control anymore. Remember, epsilon is a 0 length string. His length is 0. His length is 0. Okay? Are you okay? Right. If you really comfortable, so I want to make sure everyone will get it. Some people are saying, sir, one symbol, na. Sir, one symbol, na. How can you say length is 0? That is the reason it's a special symbol. Right? Epsilon is a special symbol. I'm writing. Epsilon is a special, right? Epsilon is a special string. Special string whose length is 0. Epsilon is a special string whose length is 0. That is the meaning of special. Special means there is no reasons. So, right? Some people are saying, sir, how, sir? How? I will give the answer to you. I will give the answer. Right? We are also human. Modi ji also human, but he is a special human because he have some special security. If you are going outside, you don't get that much security. But when you go outside, lot of security. He is also human. We are also human. Every human should be equal. Nah? How that is like that? So that is the meaning of special. That is the meaning of special. So everyone know all humans are equal. But he is the special human because only one prime minister post. Only one prime minister post in India. He got selected. So special person, special treatment. No, sir, all people equal, na, sir. He's getting security, 50 cars. I also should get, na. You are bacha. I am bacha. Right? He's the prime minister. He have a lot of security. Because he have so many enemies. You don't have, I don't have. He have so many enemies in the entire country. Right? Fine. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Vishal. Vishal, he just woke up. He just woke up. He is keeping some butter on me. He just keeping some butter on me so that I will feel good. Right? He is coming, going. I will shout him. He knows that. He knows that I will shout him. Just he is keeping some butter on me so that everything is okay. Yeah. Thank you, Vishal. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Epsilon is a special string whose length is 0. Okay. If you really comfortable until here, can you say what you have to understand here? Remember, there is a one special person, epsilon, whose length is 0. You have to remember every time. You have to remember over the alphabet sigma is equal to a comma b. What is the minimal string from today onwards? Over the alphabet sigma is equal to a comma b. What is the minimal string? Minimal string epsilon. What is the length? Minimal string epsilon. What is the length? What is the length of that one? 0. What is the length of that one? 0. Now I will give some more example. Can you see this? I will give some more examples. Can you see this? Can you see this one? Everyone listen. Can you see this one? AB string. What is the length? I will give the proof also. See this one. AB string length 2. Next one. Double B. What is string length? 2. AB length 2. Double B string length also 2. Now listen. AB 2. This is called concatenation. B and B. This is also, right? This is one string. This is a one string. I concatenated. This is called concatenation operator. Remember, it will come again. Concatenation operator. So string, this is called string concatenation. It will goes to AB double B. So length, if you see 4, it is a 2 length. Concatenation is 4 length. Right? 2 length, concatenation became 4 length. Are you okay? 2 length, if you concatenate, you will get 4 length. Concatenation means attaching. Everyone know this. Keeping side by side. Concatenation means keeping side by side. Previously they are separate. Now you are keeping side by side. It is something like concatenation is something like marriage happened. They both are side by side. just attaching both. Previously individual, now you combine. Now one beautiful thing is coming. Can you listen? Can you listen this? Can you listen? AB, what is the length? You will see the beauty now. AB, what is the length? 2. Concatenation. Concatenation. What is the epsilon length? What is the epsilon length? 0, which will goes to AB only. This is the proof. Epsilon is a 0 length. This is the proof. 2 plus 0 becomes 2. If anyone asks you, how can you prove that epsilon length is 0? This is the proof. AB concatenation epsilon, AB only. AB concatenation epsilon, AB only. 2 length plus 0 length becomes 2 length. The same thing can be written like this also. Epsilon length is 0 dot AB. 2 length, finally AB. I'm really saying to you, epsilon is the one who is going to do magic. Total TOC, epsilon will do magic. Those people who don't know epsilon, they don't get TOC. They don't get TOC. If anyone attend tomorrow class onwards, without seeing this recording, if anyone attend the TOC class tomorrow onwards, they will watch Tamil movie. If anyone watch tomorrow onwards without seeing the recording of TOC, if they watch the TOC lecture directly they came, I will show to them Tamil movie. Even I don't know how Tamil look like. I will show to you Tamil movie how look like. Someone is asking, sir, may I know how Tamil movie look like? You will see, right? Just without learning epsilon, please start TOC. You will automatically see Tamil movie. Everywhere you will come. So I completed my engineering from IIT Bombay in computer science department, right? So one of my friend is there. He is also completed from IIT Bombay in computer science. Right? What happened is he like epsilon like anything. He like epsilon like anything. He married. He got one kid also. He kept his kid name as epsilon. One of my friend is there. He like epsilon like anything. Right? He said to me that time itself. I will keep my son name as epsilon. I said, just shut up. Okay, somehow he got married, right? He got one son also. He kept epsilon. Son name is epsilon. You don't know. There is a big fight happened between him and his wife. Big fight happened. How dare you have to keep the epsilon as my son name? She kept like this. How dare you have to keep epsilon as my son name? Big fight happened. It went until divorce. Because of epsilon. It went until divorce. Somehow, finally, they compensated. Somehow, he begged her, right? So again, that divorce is withdrawn and all. Finally, they both are compromised with one name, right? That name is Turing. That name is somehow they both compromised. She agreed with the Turing. At least go with the Turing. He begged her. She said, okay, Turing is okay. Comparing epsilon, Turing better, na? How can you keep epsilon here? Epsilon means 0. How can you keep epsilon? So finally, his name is Turing. Right? Nice name, Turing. So what I mean to say is, right, those people who knows about TOC, right? They know about epsilon power. So my friend, when I see the epsilon, I used to remember his life. Right? Anyhow, so this is the story. Right? Fine, perfect. Someone is saying his name is remain same. Yeah, if at all same, gone, divorce. Who will agree? Yeah? That is the reason, right? That means, okay, I don't want to talk about marriage and all. Come to the next story. I don't want to talk about it. Right? I think everyone is comfortable. Epsilon is clear. So can you help me? Until now, what are the things we completed? Until now, what are the things we completed? Alphabet and string. Special string is epsilon. We done it. Special string is epsilon. We done it. Right? Next one. Next one. I think string also okay. Go to the next one. Go to the next one. After string, next one is language. Language. Write down. Can I help you now? Collection of strings is language. Collection of strings is language. Collection of strings is language. Right? Let me write. Collection of, right? It's a collection of, right? Let me write it. Yeah, I think normal. Let's make simple. Collection of strings over sigma is known as collection of strings over sigma is known as language. Collection of strings over sigma is known as language. Right. If you okay, collection of strings over sigma is known as language. If you okay, can I help you now? Right? Language is collection of strings over sigma. That is okay. That is okay. Just I want to ask you one thing. Any chance of language become empty? You will get. All the things you will get. Please have patience. Listen one by one. Can I help you now? Any chance of language become empty? That is called empty language. Like this, right? Language is empty like this. This is called empty language. Now, can you help me now? Any chance of language become infinite? Any chance of language become infinite? Yes. See, if you want, you can check. See this one. If you want, you can check. See this one. Sigma, listen everyone now. Sigma is equal to AB. Careful everyone. Sigma is equal to AB. I am writing one language over sigma. Can you see this one? I am writing one language over sigma. Can you see this one? Right? Listen, can you see this one? This language L is equal to A power M, B power N, where M comma N greater than or equal to 1. Can I help you now? What is the first string? In this language, first string, M1, N1 keep. A power 1, B power 1, AB. First string is AB. Can you say what is the next string? M1, B2 keep. ABB. Next one, M2, B1 keep. Double AB. It is keep on going until any boundary greater than or equal to 1. Keep anything. Greater than or equal to 1. Keep anything. This is the infinite language. Language may be infinite. Language is empty. It's an infinite language. See, no ending. No ending. Collection of strings over sigma is known as language. Language may be empty. Language may be infinite. Right? Next one. Can I help you now? What about this? Listen, what about this? Sigma is this one. Everyone listen. Sigma is this one. It is a one language. Assume that it is a L1. Assume that it is a L2. Assume that it is a L3. Can you see this one? L3. AB is a one string. BA is a one string. A double B is a one string. Can I help you now? L3 is a finite language. Language may be finite. Language means collection of strings. Language means collection of strings. So 3 strings only then. Finite language. But L2 contain infinite strings. Infinite language. Remember. Algo and TOC both are same. Please get them. If you get both of them, you are so good in computer science. If you get both of them, you are so good in computer science. If you get both of them, you are so good in computer science. Trust me. Listen, learn properly. Learn properly. First 1 month or 2 months, your goal is I'll go TOC. First 1 month or 2 months, your goal is I'll go TOC. You learn properly. Automatically, you got everything of computer science. These two things will decide everything. Right? Slowly, in the weekend batch, I will start the, right? In the weekend batch, I will start the discrete mathematics. In the weekend batch, I will start the discrete mathematics. Saturday, Sunday. Morning 9 to evening 6. Morning 9 to evening 6. I will start the discrete mathematics. Only weekend I will say that particular subject. Simultaneously, that will also be over. You learn as much as possible. Don't study for marks and all. Gain more knowledge, then everything all right. You can easily handle the CSE. Languages become so easy. Right? So everywhere you go, DSA questions they will ask. They will become so easy when you know all the logics. Okay, perfect. Perfect. You also can attend that weekend batch. Right? Everyone, right? Every student is same to me. So everyone I am giving the access. Right? Your morning, right? Morning batch you can attend, evening batch you can attend, right? Weekend batch you can attend. Do as much work as possible. Whenever time is there, please attend. Complete syllabus as soon as possible. Within 6 months, if you complete syllabus, right, you will get a lot of advantage, lot of revisions you can do. You are going to get a very nice rank. Okay. Until now, are you comfortable? Yeah, I will inform. Because Saturday, Sunday, right, you people don't have class, right? So weekend people, there also you can attend, you can complete that subject also. Now, please careful everyone. Language may be empty, language may be finite, language may be infinite. Everything is okay. Can you help me? Are you comfortable till now? Are you comfortable till now? Now, it is a correct time to ask you. What is the cardinality of L1? L1 contain how many strings? What is the cardinality of L1? L1 contain how many strings? It is empty language, 0. No one there. Can I help you now? What is the cardinality of L2? L2 contain how many member? Infinite. Cardinality means how many people. This language contain how many people? Infinite. Can you see this one? What is the cardinality of L3? Cardinality means number of people. How many people are there inside that language? 3 people. That's the reason it became finite. Now, one more serious person coming. It will kill your life. One more serious person. Listen, everyone. L4. Everyone listen. L4 name is, listen. L4 name is, there is one person inside whose name is epsilon. L4 internally contain one person whose name is epsilon. What is the meaning? Cardinality of L4. Cardinality of L4 is 1. One string there inside. Cardinality of L4 is 1. One person inside, but that person is 0. One person inside, but that person is 0. Are you getting? L1 don't have anyone. But L4 saying that I have someone, but that person length is 0. These are very, very entirely different. Some people will think that after TOC over, TOC subject is completed, they will think that this one, that one, both are same. No, bhaiya, it's cardinality 0, but it's cardinality 1. How both are same? L4 contain one person whose length is 0. But L1 don't have anyone. Can anyone help you now? L1 name. Can you help me now? L1 name. Empty language. Language itself empty. L1 name is empty language. Language itself empty. But L4 is not empty language. Can you help me now? L4 is empty language or non-empty language? L4. L4 is empty language or non-empty language? L4 is a non-empty language. But interesting thing is L4 is non-empty language, but inside empty string. This is called empty string. Inside is empty string. There is a small difference. Empty language different, empty string different. Empty string means epsilon, which is also called empty string, which is also called a null string. Which is also called null string. Empty string, null string. This is going to be empty language. Language itself empty. Empty language. Yeah, is it empty language? Is it empty language? Let me write outside. Is it empty language? No. Language is not empty because one person there. Language is not empty because one person. But that person is empty string. That person is null string. You've seen the difference between L1, L4? You've seen the difference between L1, L4? What is the notation for empty language? Same. What notation you want? This is like this. People will represent like this. People will represent like this. Empty, right? Brackets you write, inside nothing. Some people are asking, sir, it is also empty now, but inside someone is there. What is the capability? That is a different story. What capability is having, that is different story. But inside one person there. But here inside 0 people, no one there. But here inside one person there. What that one person will do, that is the different. Right? Fine. Can I help you now? L1 name. Can I say L1 name? Empty language. L4, non-empty language. Non-empty, okay, but inside who there, sir? When you say non-empty, inside some people. Sir, inside who there, sir? Inside 0 length person there. L4 inside someone is there whose length is 0. Means at least someone is there. At least someone is there. Yeah, I think it is something like this one. Listen, it is something like this one. Right? In some big houses, what happened is, right? Whenever some houses where workers are there, right? One person is came, right? So he will ask the worker, right? So who is there inside house? He will say no one. What does it mean? One person there, that is the worker. Worker is already there, right? One person is came and is asking who is there inside the house. He will say no one is there. No, one person there, he will say no one is there. Means he's almost like epsilon. He's almost like epsilon. You want to say no one. But one person there, whose length is 0. But anyhow, my only intention here, be comfortable with L1, L4. It will kill you again and again. It will kill you again and again. Again and again they will come. Don't confuse. L1 is empty language. L4 is empty string. Empty room is filled with air. Just shut up. Just shut your mouth. Just, right, you just keep quiet. Every time running commentary. Every time running commentary will be there. Something you have to type. Right? Already Google blocked you. Don't you know this? Already Google blocked you. Don't you know this? Have sense. Google already blocked. Even Google also blocked means what kind of person you are. Google itself is blocking means no one can tolerate you. Right? I am already gone. I am dead. Google also blocked. How funny your life is. Google also blocked. Apple block, okay. They will block everyone. Apple is blocking, I am okay. Google also blocking means what, yaar? What kind of life? So pathetic life. Anyhow, so I think you got the empty language, empty string. Can I help you now? Last conclusion. L1 cardinality. L1 cardinality. 0. L4 cardinality. L4 cardinality, 1. Can you help, L4 contain one person. That one person length how much? L4 contain one person. What is that one person length? 0. That one person length 0. But you don't have one person also. L1 don't have one person also. So empty language. L4 contain one person, but his length is 0. So easy way of saying L1 is empty language. L4 is empty string. L1 is empty language. L4 is empty string. Be careful. Because inside only empty string is there. I will write L1 empty language, not empty string. But L4 empty string, not empty language. Are you fine now? This one you got. Today, the purpose of today, you done the great work. Trust me. This is clear means you are perfect with the TOC. L1 like house without servant. True. Thank you, Bhaiya. True. Right? L1 is saying that even servant also not there. But L4 is saying that someone is there whose length is 0. Someone is there whose length is 0. True. At least servant there. But my sincere suggestion is, if anyone asks you what is epsilon, don't say Bhaiya, servant, girvant like this. Don't say outside. This is only our personal language. When someone asks you outside, can you explain epsilon? Servant is there, servant not there. Don't do this. People will think badly about us. What is going on? With the name of TOC, what hypocrisy going on? People will think, people may file a case also. I am asking epsilon, you are saying servant. Common sense not there. So please be personal. It is specific to our class. It is a specific to our class. Some people are having sentiments outside, right? They will be so sentimental, right? By saying, when you say epsilon, servant is like this, they will go for a suicide attempt. Because of him, I am going. Because of Shashi, I am going to suicide attempt. Because he killed my TOC. Like that he will say. It is just simply our personal language, right? So I identified one thing, right? Just Neha came. She just kept everything mute. She's sleeping. Happily, she's sleeping. Let's do whatever. Neha thinking that I am singing. Early morning, I am singing. Neha is thinking like this. Okay, Neha is there. She want to say that. Sometimes I will respond also. I am here. Yeah. So Rutuja is simply, she ignored. She blocked, I think. She blocked us. Rutuja is simply she left. Oh, she also there. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. Who is not responding at all? Shashi responding. Yeah, perfect. Chalo, good people.